I was. Yes.
I'm thinking, I'm going to bump into him. It's going to be 60.
That's my worst nightmare.
I keep looking around the
Do you think it's a trouble? No, it's nothing. You should sit by me and all
where most of the
Yeah, my husband made it. He went. He said, "Okay, I'll leave you here. I'll go up." Okay, fine. And he did a beautiful picture from the very top.
Yep.
And that's good enough for me to see. Okay. I didn't mean.
Just when you're even driving up, you know, the bus and you see it. Oh, I did see that. Yeah, no, I didn't do that. I just did
But now it's
Beijing, Shanghai. Yeah, we did 4, but I don't remember.
yes, Dražen Petrov, he was amazing. Huge star. Like a Dražen Petrov. Yeah. Okay, she's here. She is married to this ex-tennis player. They have a few kids. They are quite rich.
I know that well. No, it's May.
What'd you call
We actually cut off my some of these kind of songs.
Exactly. Yeah, this is monument of graduation to France. Like I told you, in the First World War, after this huge retreat, when the Serbian forces recovered on Greek island, they joined the French troops and together they managed to break the South Front in the First World War and to conquer the whole Balkan Peninsula back. And from that moment, yeah, Serbia, actually Yugoslavia after the First World War, those years between two world wars, Serbia, or actually Yugoslavia and France was two main allies. Yes. You can see a lot of different influences. They have their own piece, so yeah, you'll find a lot of influences. Yeah.
The answer is no.